Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
生きがい
which means a Japanese concept that means a reason for being, combining the words iki, life, and gai, value or worth. Let's say it all together.
生きがい
One more time.
生きがい
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. I, ki, ga, I. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.